What's up, guys? And before y'all say it, I already know. I already know. I know I've been missing since like September, but we're not gonna go down that road. I'm back. So, welcome. So, I know my hair looks crazy right now. It looks insane, but that's okay, because we're about to fix it. And let me show you how. So I know y'all read the title and y'all know what this video is about, and I am so excited to try this line. I've seen a ton of reviews on YouTube. I haven't clicked the video to watch the video, but I've seen a ton of reviews on this this hair line, and I'm very excited to show y'all. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? The Curlsmith line. This is the Strength Superfood Protein Kit. So pretty cool if you ask me. So I originally went to Ulta just to buy the the little small the Bond Curl Rehab product, but they didn't have any more of that by itself, so I got suckered into buy the kit. So we're gonna try the whole kit and we're gonna see what it's all about. So y'all, let's talk about the packaging. Let's talk about the packaging. So I love this purple. Y'all should know that purple is my favorite color. You see it behind me. I just love purple. So this is very cute. It has like little fruits on it and all kind of like cute things. And then it has so many words and things on the back of it. Product labels and stuff. So reading directions, I'm assuming, like I said, the Bond Curl Rehab goes first. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started because we're not gonna procrastinate. I'm not gonna waste y'all's time. So for the Bond Curl Rehab, it claims that this is a strengthening pre-wash treatment that contains a powerful blends of superfoods and unique active ingredients that target all three types of hair bonds that make up the hair structure. It can be used as a quick 10 minutes treatment, or it can be applied for longer for real curl rehab. Apply generously on damp hair until it is fully saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 15 minutes. Longer if desired, up to 1 hour. Up to 1 hour. So that, y'all don't go past the 1 hour mark, because what was the reason? What was the reason? Like, don't go past it. Rinse off thoroughly and follow with your favorite Curlsmith cleanser, conditioner, and stylers. I don't have the Curlsmith shampoo, so I'm just gonna use a different shampoo. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and tackle the main. I'm gonna take some water. I finally got a Mr. bottle and I'm in love with it. I'm gonna dampen my hair. Look at that little crusty hair with all that water beating up on it. My goodness. Comment down below if you have tried the Opalex. Is it, how you pronounce it? Opalex? I don't know how you pronounce it, but they're Bond stuff. Apparently people say this is like a comparison to it. I don't know. I haven't tried it. Slightly wet. We're going to take the Bond Curl Rehab. If I can open it. Hold on. Oh my gosh, y'all. Curlsmith product smells so good. Like, it smells like, how can I describe it? It smells like a natural scent. Like, it's not like no fragrancy crap in it. Like, it smells really good. Okay, I was not expecting it to be thick. Did y'all expect it to be thick? Like, she's thick. Okay. Rub it in my hand a little bit. We're not gonna use a lot because we know she's potent. Oh my gosh, y'all, it feels so good rubbing this in my hair. She just went away. Something in me is feeling like I need to apply more to my ends, which is the oldest part of our hair. Y'all, I am so shook that this is like a lotion. Like, it's not like I thought it was gonna be similar like to the Affigees protein 2-step. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna run my hands through it. Not a comb yet, just gonna use my hands. I'm excited. Curlsmith has bomb products, like they are bomb. Go in with a comb. And we're just going to take this section and turn it up. All right, so now that we have one section out the way, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the sections and I'm gonna come back. I finished all 4 sections and just let me say, y'all, this bad boy, I know I haven't like washed or let it sit in my hair for the 15 minutes, but the way this detangled my hair so easily for me, like I went through and detangled with my fingers and I used a comb behind it, but y'all, it was so easy and it slips and it gives you so much slip. It's truly amazing, y'all. And I feel like I still have like at least that much of the bottle left. So far, y'all, this one's a winner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go and like put a plastic cap on my head. And I'm gonna leave it on for the 15 minutes, maybe longer if I'm not in the mood to come back and record so fast. And then I'll come back after I have washed my hair out and I've done like my regular washing my hair with my regular like shampoo and then do my little deep conditioner. And then I'll come back and then we're gonna use these 2 products to style my hair. I'm just gonna do a simple like protective style because I don't feel like doing my hair like a twist out or wash and go. So we're just gonna use these 2 just to like kind of like twist my hair back and put like a small little bun in the back. So we will be back. Alright guys, so I am back. I have washed my hair, shampooed it, and I also put in my deep conditioner. So now we're just going to, you know, do our hair. And we're gonna use the Feather Light Protein Cream, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add their Bouncy Strength Volume Foam over it, just so we can have some definition. Like I said, I'm just gonna twist my hair backwards and put it in like a little protective style and protect my ends, but I'm just gonna try it. But y'all, one thing I want to mention, when I was rinsing out that what's it called? I lost it. Oh, here it goes. When I was rinsing out the Bond Curl Rehab, y'all, my curls looked amazing. I swear I'm not doing overboard. Y'all know me, I swear, but this thing, amazing. I have no complaints for it. And I can just tell my hair is a little bit stronger from it. A gem. So I have my hot water and I got my cream, so my hair is just drying in this little thing. I didn't want it to drip down on my face. So all right, so we're gonna take the back section, bring her down. She feels so good and strong. We love to see it. And I barely had any like breakage when I was washing my hair. You know how when you have the breakage, you can see it like in your drain? I barely had any, y'all. It's just, that's what we like to see. So we're gonna rewear our hair again because that's how you get product to sink in your hair. Rewear it. All right, nice and warm. Don't take big sections like this and expect it to be able to like put your leave-in in, like, y'all, break it up. So we're gonna break this in half. Leave-ins are so important. You wanna make sure your hair gets all the stuff from it. So this has a 4 flexible hold. And that's how it looks. Ooh, it is lightweight. Like lotion. See? Start on them ends first and work your way up. I'm not doing this for definition. I'm just doing this for the moisture and the protein that it says it will give you. So yeah, this is very lightweight, but it has protein in it, so that's a winner to me. Cause I know it's helping with my hair and helping keeping it strong. Here we go. Take my comb. Well, where did I put my brush? Oh. Take my brush and just brush through it. That part's nice and detangled, and it has protein in it. So we're gonna just move that one up and take it right here. Get the other top half that's already wet and warm. Take some more of this bad boy. Am I overwhelmed by this product? Not necessarily, but does it do what it says is like what it says it's going to do? Yeah, I mean, it says it's light, feather light, so you can't expect it to be a super hold, a super moisture rising leave-in. Like y'all have to start, you know, understanding what the product says, what the product claims. Stop expecting results from what a product does not claim. You know what I mean? I hate when people be like, oh, it's not good for my hair. It doesn't give me enough moisture. And they have a moisture milk. You need something heavier than that. You know what I mean? It feels good and it gives my hair slip. And it absorbs in your hair. Like, that's gone. But it's still there. Not bad. I mean, it's a lightweight leave-in. So, I mean, what can you expect? But I just like the whole idea of protein being in it. So I have a good amount of that left, which is good. So yeah. Now we're gonna try this foam. So cute. It smells good. Foam makes everything better, so that's why I'm just gonna obsess and put a lot on my hair. So I know I originally said I was just gonna do like a twist, like not do an actual flat twist back, but that was not as neat as I wanted it to be, so I just decided to do a flat twist and then to take it back. Alright guys, so I finally finished my hair, and let's just say I have a protective style to last me for the next couple of days. Final reviews, thoughts, blah blah blah. If you don't get anything else from this line, I do recommend that you get the Bond Curl. Y'all, this made my hair feel amazing. It smells amazing. I know it has protein in it, so I'm going to make this one of my monthly protein treatments. It is amazing, y'all. I recommend this like 100,000, 10 times. Something about just knowing that your hair is getting extra protection, extra protein, it just feels so like rewarding to me. Like, I love that. My thoughts on this is that it does what it claims it does. I mean, I can't say it's a lie. It's a feather light protein cream, and it made my hair feel moisturized, and it was easy to detangle through it. This is not a moisturizer that's going to give you definition. It's not going to give you strong hold, and it doesn't claim that. It says a 4 on a scale of, I guess, 4 to 10, how much hold it has. Lastly, the Bounce Strength Volume Foam. Once again, this says it gives you 2, which is an invisible hold. And yeah, I felt that because I didn't see any curl spring from this. But this is not what that's about for me. This is about the protein for me. And this thing has wild rice protein in it. Has kale in it. Oh wow. It's vegan, like it's light it claims it's light hold and volume weightless. I think it does that. Can't be mad at it. Yeah, so I would probably use this just to help like get rid of my flyaways. As y'all can see, I put it on my hair. I'm about to put some more on it because it's the whole, like, it just helps like rid your hair of flyaways. And I'm going to tie a scarf on my head, and that will be it. So without further ado, I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I recommend you guys go get that the Bond Curl Rehab. And yeah, if you can get your hands on it, I say try it. You don't have to buy the whole box. Just get the Bond Curl Rehab if you know, just want a little taste of it. But I think it's a good idea. So thank you guys for watching Beyond Blair, and stay tuned for more videos. I promise I'm not going to take a 5-month break. I'm going to be here. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.